Well, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood again. It's Wednesday. I'm not sure the date, but it is Wednesday, and I'm up here at Silver Mountain. So things are starting to change a little bit. It's probably been slightly one of the worst winters we've had in 27 years living here in North Idaho. It's been high precipitation, but low in snow quality due to the fact the temperatures have been high, so we're getting a lot of water, a lot of moisture, and then sometimes at night freezing conditions. So for the last 2 months we've been kind of experiencing East Coast type snow. A lot of skiers, because resorts are letting sometimes beyond the capacity in to make those dollars in case they have to close because of COVID. My just suspicion is that. So overcrowded. So with all the skiers, the snow that we do have has become compact and pushed down and glazed off pretty quick. So I'm very happy to say here on this Wednesday that there's a slight snowfall. We had about 1 inch of new snow on the mountain here overnight, so about 1 inch, and we expect 2 to 4 inches coming down, I think, tomorrow into tomorrow afternoon. So take a look. This is the hill. This is a number of people that are here during the week. This is not the look that you would see on the weekend. On the weekend you will see massive number of people. So I've gotten to the point here in my riding career and stuff to stay away from the masses, come up during the week when people should be working if we had a good economy, and enjoy the mountain without all the hectic traffic. So I hope you guys enjoy this short clip. It's more or less just a report of conditions changing, hoping that as we go into this end of January, February, we start to get our normal snowfall, which is powder. That's the reason I moved out here. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and stay tuned. Out. Straight ahead.